3 iPhone 7 came in for baseband issue. When we dial the code for checking the baseband number, the baseband is not there, so it's not popping up. We also try further to check the modem firmware. It's also not there. All these inspections have already confirmed for us that the baseband is already gone. Hence, this type of phone will constantly show no service, even when SIM card is inserted, and it will keep searching for network till thy kingdom come. You also need to know that whenever your phone is having this type of issue, you must not make the mistake of trying to wipe or flash it. By doing so, your phone will stuck in hello mode. It will not be able to enter iOS. It will keep telling you unable to activate. This will cost you more repair fee. But for the device in front of us, we confirmed that it's the BB_CPU issue, so let's begin. Repair process. The baseband CPU of iPhone 7 is so close to the main CPU. If heat control is not properly observed, it will definitely affect the main CPU. But with our heat control level, we're able to install the BB_CPU with perfect temperature, as you can see, and the CPU is not in any way affected. All the 3 phones were successfully fixed. The IMEI is back, and the network is now working. SIM card is also detectable.